Hello friends, it's Kristie Marcotte. My Love from Lizi April 2023 card kit is here. The theme is Rise and Shine, and it's full of beautiful spring colors. If you are interested in purchasing the kit, I do have links provided in the description box below. So let me show you everything that's included. There are 5 sheets of 8.5 by 11 inch cardstock. We have a dark blue, light pink, white, and a buttery yellow. There's also a sheet of specialty cardstock in white that has this beautiful wavy embossed design. Lizi has included that cardstock in some of her add-on bundles before, so I was really excited to see a sheet in the kit this month. There are 3 12 by 12 cut-apart sheets. They have been trimmed down simply to fit inside the box. So here's the first one. It has a bunch of fun plant labels. If you don't like those, you can always flip it over and use this lovely pattern on the back side. Here's a look at the next sheet. Lots of fun cut-aparts with sentiments and images. You can always flip it over and use this really fun geometric pattern. Here's the final sheet. More cut-aparts with sentiments. There's even some journaling blocks if you do scrapbooking. You can flip it over and use this really fun pink design on the other side. The pattern paper this month is 6 by 6 inches in size, and you'll receive a total of 13 sheets, and these are all double-sided. There's lots of lovely florals. There's a watercolor design, some geometric patterns. This one has polka dots and some little seedlings. And on the back side, it has sentiments that you could trim down to use on your card or project. Here's a fun design in hot pink, beautiful floral. I think that one is my favorite. There's some large florals. There's a perfect one for Western Washington with all the umbrellas. There are several designs with stripes. Here's a lovely floral in yellow, a geometric pattern, a pretty pink watercolor wash. It's another floral, some pink polka dots. This tone-on-tone purple floral design is really pretty. There's a lovely purple plaid, some raindrops, and finally a hexagon design. Lots of fun patterns and really bright, cheerful colors. The next item is the stamp set. Lots of beautiful spring images. Even if you don't color, these would look pretty heat embossed. There's also 2 sentiments, Hello You and Spring Wishes. This month, Lizi's included a small stencil. This is a really fun design. It has polka dots all around the outside, and the inside of this stencil has an area where you can place one of the stamped images or sentiments, or you could add one of the paper cut-aparts. The next item is a roll of double-sided adhesive tape, and this is a narrow tape, 1/8 of an inch wide. You can never have too much adhesive, and I love using the narrow double-sided tape. There's also a sheet of double-sided adhesive. It's just under 6 inches by 8.25 inches. This will be perfect to use with intricate dies. You remove one side of the release paper, attach it to some cardstock or pattern paper, cut out your die, and you already have adhesive on the back side. Here's the sheet of peel-offs that's included in the kit, the pretty lilac color in the straight design. The next item is a sheet of fabric mesh, and it has beautiful iridescent threads going throughout it. I'm hoping you can see that on the camera. They're super sparkly. And Lizi's included a large sheet of it, so it'll be great for a variety of projects. Just trying to weight it down since it keeps popping up. Next up, we have 2 mini paper pads, and they come in this cute little plastic tray. These are absolutely adorable. One of them is all pattern papers, and many of the designs are the same as the 6 by 6 paper, just in a teeny tiny size. And I'm measuring it, it's about 2 by 2 inches. There are 36 sheets in each of the paper pads, 2 of each design. So you'll get 18 different designs in each of the mini paper pads. Here's a sheet with the umbrella pattern paper. I was trying to find it on my table, but I think I buried it. So you can see how tiny they really are. And there are several more designs in the mini paper pad compared to the 6 by 6 papers. And the paper weight is a nice thickness. I'm trying to flip through it quickly so you can get an idea of what's included, and I think I've already started repeating. I forgot which design was on the front. The other mini paper pad has sentiments and images. And it also has 2 of each design. You'll get 18 different designs for a total of 36 sheets. There's a really nice variety of sentiments included. We have love, thanks, hello, and the colors match the pattern paper perfectly. It's basically like having a bunch of 2x2 cut-aparts, but you don't have to do any cutting. You just have to peel it out of the paper pad. There's best friends, celebration, a lovely hello with a watercolor background, shine bright, and finally, hooray. And then it goes back to repeating all those designs. I'm really looking forward to using those on cards. Next up, we have the dies. There's quite a few in the kit this month. There are 2 tags, a larger one and a small tag. Then we have lots of tiny little dies. There are 2 butterflies. One has an intricate design, the other is a silhouette. And there are 4 different patterns of flowers, and I think you can layer all of those together. There are 2 different hearts and the top of a tulip. Perfect designs for some lovely spring cards. The next items included in the kit are 5 bottles of pearl drops. Beautiful pastel colors and also a light brown. The pastel colors are purple, blue, pink, and a mint green. These are great for adding little embellishments to your cards, or you can use them with the stencil. Here's a look at the bag of sequins that's included in the kit. It's a sample size bag, and you can always purchase a full-size bag if you love sequins. The purple colored sequin is almost the same shade as the purple peel-offs. The next item is a small bag of super fine glitter, and it has a beautiful iridescent look to it. Because it is a super fine glitter, be very careful when you open that bag. It could easily get everywhere. There are 5 ribbons included, 1 meter each. We have a beautiful pink, black, lilac, a light yellow, and white. And these are the skinny ribbons. I'm terrible at tying bows, but I can usually manage it using the skinny ribbon. The next item is a sheet of large glue dots. You get a total of 16. They're on individual perforated pieces. And I'm not sure how well you can see the size of them, but they're about a ½ inch in diameter. The final item that's included in the kit is a sheet of gem stickers, and they have a beautiful iridescent finish. You'll get a total of 51 gem stickers. So that's everything that's included in Love from Lizi's April 2023 card kit. I did receive a few add-ons. First up are the 2 peel-off bundle packs. The pack on the left are all the straight design. We have apple green mirror, apricot, clear iridescent pink glitter, and clear iridescent yellow glitter. The set on the right is all pinstripe. It includes ice blue mirror, white, lilac mirror, and green. The final add-on I received is the pearlescent cardstock bundle. There are 6 sheets included. There's a lovely lilac, a light pink, light blue, a bright green, a bright pink, those are really pretty, and a light yellow. They have a lovely shimmer finish on one side and they're white on the other. I always enjoy Lizi's pearlescent cardstock. And I know I'm not the only one since it does tend to sell out fairly quickly. Now here's another look at Love from Lizi's April 2023 card kit. The theme is Rise and Shine. If you are interested in purchasing the kit or any of the add-ons, I do have links provided in the description box below. This is a monthly kit, so quantities are always limited. The only way to guarantee receiving a kit is to sign up and subscribe. And I also have information on subscribing provided in the description box. Coming soon, I will be sharing my card video using this beautiful kit. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a wonderful day.